Okay, we are here at the Williams Discovery Outcrop, covered in moss here right now. It's in a creek. This is a piece of what we're trying to find. So, we just raised almost $11 million, and we're raising it to go find this. So, Williams is a copper gold porphyry on the alkaline side, so you can call it a high K alkaline porphyry. Good examples of these would be Redcrest just down the highway that Newmont is currently mining, and they're building a large underground block cave operation. What's special about these types of deposits are the grade. And what we've got right here, I'm going to guess this is around 2% copper and 2 grams gold. There's at least a couple percent bornite and a couple percent chalcopyrite in here. Very intense quartz veining. It's probably 25% quartz veining in here, which is pretty similar to the high grade at Redcrest. So a little bit of backstory on Williams and where we are standing. So the Williams prospect or deposit is part of the Hank project that was operated by LAC Minerals in the 1980s. So LAC Minerals later became part of Barrick. LAC Minerals was targeting epithermal high-grade gold silver mineralization near surface and across the valley higher up. They never came to this side of the valley, and a previous operator, Golden Ridge, ran as a private company before they were public and called Golden Ridge. They ran an airborne magnetic survey in 2014 that highlighted a magnetic anomaly over here. And they came across the valley and did soil samples for the first time. So LAC Minerals never did soil samples on this side of the valley. Came up with a nice copper anomaly here, whereas across the valley in the epithermal environment, there's very little copper, almost below background. So they came over here, they followed up on soil samples. They found this outcrop near a really nice grade soil anomaly. And they found this mineralization, and then they drilled a hole from just back here underneath here. And the first hole was, I forget the exact number, but it must have been a little over 300 meters of 0.3 copper, 0.35 gold, something in that range. So what I see here is better mineralization than what you're seeing in a lot of the drill holes. This is very similar to what you see at Redcrest in the high-grade mineralization. And I've got giant boulders from Redcrest sitting in my office, 40-pound boulders. And, what the big key at Redcrest is the abundance of quartz veinings, because the sulfide minerals, the bornite, the chalcopyrite, they carry the copper, they come in on these quartz veins. So the more quartz veins you have that have those minerals, the more copper, the more gold you have. So what I see here is, an incredible potential to find more of this on the project. And the drilling we're doing this year is going deeper in the system where we expect to find more of this. And we're using the structural modeling that we've done where we think we might be able to find a stockwork zone, which is exactly what this is, where you get higher density of quartz veinings. So this looks great. One thing to note is that porphyries occur as clusters, and they're not generally isolated. There's a few one-off examples around the world, but generally they occur in districts or belts, and you get multiple porphyries together. And we believe there's potential for more of this underneath the epithermal system over there. So we're testing for multiple of these this year, and yeah, this is amazing looking rock. I'm going to get this polished up and brought over to the office.